Second episode for my just fun messing around how to survive videos. It's the first time I've actually played this game. Figured I'd try to have fun with it. Actually, I usually don't even play these types of games, survival and stuff like that. Usually MMO, RPG, Witcher 3, Mass Effect, stuff like that. But I'm trying to broaden my horizons, saying things completely wrong works out. But hey, hopefully you're back and you wanted to see more, maybe critique, tell me how things are going, how things could be better. That's how I do it. That's how I do. Okay, when we left off, I was just kind of running around. This guy said that nighttime was coming soon, but I think he is actually the one that starts the nighttime kind of transition. So I wanted to do a few things, kind of run around, get a little bit more stuff going before I actually started the nighttime transition. We had just gotten the machete, and now I can cut down this timber type, looking brush. Man, I'm pretty sure they should have just let me light this stuff on fire, but hey, I'm not knocking anything. The zombies did come back. Hey, lady. Oh wow! Okay. Apparently, that might have just been the right circumstances. I'm not thinking that happens all the time. Oh. Oh man. Come on, hey Ronnie, I don't want to do it, man. I don't want to do it. You had it coming. You had it coming to you. You were kind of a dick. Shelly told me everything. It's okay, Shelly. I took care of it. Oh god, you too? Nah. Oh wait, you're not Shelly. Man. I mean, I've really gotten into some pretty crazy situations yet. I'm sure I will. Like nighttime, most games that have been coming out, nighttime is kind of a horrible time to be out running around. Let's oh, I think I missed some. Oh god, entrails. The entrails are never good. I'm assuming the mobs, the zombies, kinda get harder and harder the more you level up. Just kinda assuming that. Okay, let's figure anything in here. Anything? Ah, but I pissed off. Oh. Oh, just kneel down to be killed? Okay, rusty machete, musty machete, Mr. Machete. I don't need more of this. I'm pretty sure I need more of everything. I mean, I know that I can make a lot of stuff right now, but I wonder if this blue paint can actually be mixed with a white plant. Oh, it's gonna probably wait until... Okay, let's see. So... well, that just makes another... okay. I don't know what that makes. Can you try it? Why not? What is this? String with a hook. Also, fishing rod. Useful though. Hey, why not? You can uncombine as well. That is cool. I like that. Okay, so can I survival guide? These rules. Ah, okay, there we go. I was wondering to see if there was anything like this. Nice. So what do I... Does that just happen automatically? Hopefully it does. Okay, weapons. And it shows all the weapons that I've... So does a weapon just come in here automatically when I make it? I guess not. Ooh, I can make leather straps though. Okay, well, I'm sure that... I mean, I don't like not being able to pick that up, but, you know, hey, whatever. Okay, hey. You don't want to come out. I understand. You know, I'm sure I'm just getting way ahead of myself, but... Why not? You know? Why not? That is an interesting mechanic. If they're close enough, when you're pressing A, you can actually just sit there and kill two zombies with one machete. I don't wanna. Okay. I'm sure that I could actually kill that if I had an arrow. A bow to actually knock my arrow. That's right. I know terminology. Only a little bit though, not a lot. A special blue plant. Getting that blue plant. Okay. Just kinda... I mean, really, I'm just rummaging around, to tell you the truth. Getting rid of all this stuff. I'm not a fan of fire plants. Kendo. 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 There have been a lot of survival games that have come out lately. You know, you have Ark Survival. What's that? The new one, Submerged. I don't know if you could fully call that a... Well, it's a survival game, you know. You're sitting there running around surviving. I think, like, your brother or sister is ill, and you're trying to find, like... I mean, like, just trying to make them comfortable, I'm assuming. Yeah, I really haven't played the game. But it looks beautiful. You know, I mean... That game looks extremely beautiful. Wait a minute, is this the well? Oh no, this isn't the well. And I'm getting good with that A button kill. I mean, hell, I am just smashing it. Heck! You know, you were supposed to die, like, oh wow! If I could only zoom in. You wanna be like your friend? Like, that is just amazing times. This is something, right? Yep. White plant. Am I back at the... I am, okay. Hey, come on. Come on, Buck. I'm pretty sure that that zombie is just done, but... Oh, hey, good times. So we're just gonna kind of let that happen. That had to happen. Okay. 2, see, I can pick up as many wooden... That lady gets me every single time. Like, I know she's gone. But still, she's standing up. If you're asking yourself, why is he cutting these all the way down? I mean, unless they respawn, if I have to move, like, really quick, like I gotta cheese it extremely fast, then I don't want anything in my way. Like, 'cause I am sure there is something that is just gonna jump out, or something is going to be like, haha, you should cut these down all the way. So, it's really why I'm doing most of this. Those birds, they say hi every once in a while or something. I don't know. The audio is really, really low, and the game sound is really low as well. Okay, I don't want to go like insanely. I don't want to go insanely far from where I was, so let's just kind of keep it at that. Come on. I'd love to have more plants. That is such an interesting mechanic. That was both your arms. Oh, that they do respawn, huh? Okay, well, that's interesting. Well, I mean, oh, hey, Deca boy. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Yeah, I just started playing. Just started probably about, I don't know, 45 minutes ago. I mean, really just kind of getting used to the game, running around. Usually when I mean, I really don't play these types of games. But usually if it's like a survival, kind of you can run around type, for exploring, like exploration games, I always explore before doing the main stuff. You know, and that's just me, just because really I really like to explore video games. I mean, that's why I love sandboxes, you know, and those are bodies right there. So that's interesting. Get another stick. I mean, I have this like inkling that I should probably burn these. Am I allowed to burn these? These are just gonna stay there for the game, huh? Okay, well, hey. So, this is... Oh! That's actually, something that's gonna happen, okay. Here's another stick. It's a big stick, okay. I can't do anything with it. Nothing with you. Anything up here? Nothing up this way. I know I'm probably not supposed to be over here right now, but... Oh, cool. Wooden axe. And that just stays in here? I mean... So I've made it too. Okay, well, hey. There's flint. Let's see. So I'm all the way at the top. If I went up, back and around there. I'm assuming that there is another area. But, I mean, hey. Okay, let's see. Aiming times a headshot. What's this? Speeds up the reloading of all weapons. So there will be a time when I actually I'm going to get like a gun or an arrow or something, or like a bow and arrow or something. That is awesome. Okay, so here is the guy. Not gonna talk to you yet. I mean, I could start this. Why not? Let's do it. Ugh! Such a dork. Light the fire! Ooh, I could pick up a stick. And I can cook plants. That's interesting. Huh. That was very interesting. Is that... Oh, he just kind of lives in harmony with the zombie. Oh, get over here! He just kind of lives in harmony with the zombies, huh? Good for you. Got myself another stick. I love the sticks. Those birds, man, I tell ya. Oh, there's more flint stuffs. Flint. Flint. Lockwood. That's right. Oh! That flint came out of the zombie. Hi. Hi, birdie. I'm sure, like, when I make a bow for my arrows, that those birds are gonna be gone. Oh god, oh, you're getting the jiggles. Getting that stanky leg. Okay, so now I'm not going to run all the way back that way. I know that I've opened up a lot of the map. I'm pretty sure that, I mean, if there's a way that I have to run through, the zombies are going that way anyways. Now, the XP in this. Ah, there we go. You don't actually like that. I wonder why. Okay, I'm gonna go through one more time, see if the plants come back around. So I would really, oh, nope. I would really like one more plant. But if they don't come back, then I understand. Hello, MOBAs. Or MOA, not a MOBA. Huh, little jokes. See, fun stuff. That's what we're here for. Okay, now, I haven't gone up this way, so let's see what healing plant. Nice. The funnest parts for me on these games are actually the finding and then the creating. Like that, if I could create video games, which I'm currently learning to, on the RPG Maker. I mean, it's nothing insane like, you know, the graphics like these or anything. I would love to be able to create games for a living. I know that a lot of people will go off of like Gmod, and a lot of people will create, you know, like FPSs, and they'll use the like the Twin Brothers, or what is it, the Twin Tornadoes or something like that, as come here. Oh, as templates, and they'll actually create, which is really cool. You know, the Twin Tornadoes, they actually help you create a first-person shooter, and they go through everything. They use the Unity program. So, I mean, and they go through, you know, steps A all the way to Z, which they're really, really cool guys. You know, they're twins, of course. And, oh wow. I guess that helps you kind of weed out the crowd if you do that A button kill. Is it still empty? It's still dry, okay. Well, hey. So, I mean, the mechanics of this game, fairly easy, fairly simple to learn. Cool thing is that you can shut off the A button kill. If you don't like it, you can actually go into the options and shut it off. And I think the game will do instant kills for you. I mean, or it shuts it off so it doesn't make the game as easy. I think that would be the reason for that whole tactical, you know, turnaround. Okay, well, thanks for joining me. I hope you know, come back tomorrow for sure. Take boy. I really do hope. Okay. So hope you subscribe and like, and I have a YouTube channel as well. I've been fighting some of the copyright things, you know, copyright little snags that have been going on, but I can't really just stop because I love doing this. I really love doing this. So yeah, I kind of took a big hit when I stopped for a while, but hey, I'm back. So I hope you join me tomorrow, and I'll be setting up a schedule of the days that I'll be doing my Twitches and stuff like that. I found out that usually people like half an hour. It's about 45-minute episodes, so that's what I'm going to keep it to. Okay, I think I'm in new territory right now, actually. Man, it's so nice of the zombie to just kind of sit there while I decapitate him. Him or her. It could be her. Oh wait, is this that area where like a bunch of those zombies were at? Bam! I thought that was a blue tree right there. Ooh, I could light that if I wanted to. Oh, no, I've already been here. Okay. This is where that rusty machete is that, you know, I don't want to pick up for some reason. Wait a minute. Okay. I mean... Dun 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 dun. That epic music going. I do have to say that I like it. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, it's Castlevania. Bam! Bam! Dead. 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 What are the people saying these days? Get wrecked. Get wrecked. Or is he a white plant right there? I think I pissed off the locals. Yup. Can't take this game for granted. I mean, that's what happens right there. Done did messed around. Thought I could take on a bunch of these guys in the middle of this area. I thought I'd be able to kind of corral them. That didn't work. Hold on. Okay, what? It's a good game, you know. Arab Hash God. Yeah, I mean, it's a good game. I just started. Sorry, I'm not looking over at my my monitor that much while I'm being attacked like a bunch of zombies. I'm having fun. I usually don't play these types of games, these types of, you know, zombie and or survival games at all. But I'm finding myself intrigued. I'm having a lot of fun with it, actually. And right now, the really cool thing is that it's free for Xbox, which I'm doing this on Xbox One. It's free right now, so you can do. Oh wow, classic arrows! Look at that. These are robust wooden arrows. They can be used with any bow. You can, if you don't want to download the whole thing, you can play a trial. But the trial was actually a little bit different from this. So I mean, yeah, I'm actually having a lot of fun with this right now. Fill. Oh wait, can I actually fill this? Getting that bottle of gasoline. Just gotta make sure that I don't. Yes, there's the bow. And I actually have those. Nice. Uh-oh, I have to get my bottle of water. Yes. Yes. Thank you very much. Again, apologies for not looking over at my monitor. Yeah, thank you for subscribing. I'm gonna be playing this all the way through. There's one character out of 4. Now I know they just added they call her the blonde bombshell, I think it is. They just added her, I don't know, like a week ago or so. But I don't know if every story is different. So that's what I hope to find out. I mean, I'm open to playing with people on another game, because this one will be for my, you know, the playing that I'm doing. But really, yeah, I'm having fun. Now, I am kind of messing around with the game, because apparently I was supposed to talk to a guy, and oh boy. Oh yeah, so I'm sure that's gonna call in more zombies. Close. Dear God, shut off. That cannot be good. Seriously, can you stop that? Can you shut off? Oh, this is where I can save the game. Of course there are monsters nearby. I'm a moron and I just called all of them out. Okay, so let's well, this is an interesting predicament. So I have to open up the door and basically say hello to all my little friends. Okay. Well, let's... Oh, he's hitting me through the wall. That's amazing. Well... I can't do the same, can I? Okay, I'm actually gonna cheat it out. Nope. Okay. Let's see. Either I... I know I kind of screwed myself on this one, but here we go. Come on, time to open the wall. There we go. Come on, get it going. There you. Oh God, you're wandering the wrong way, but you know I'm good. There we go. And let us save this game. Come on. Are we gonna? Don't tell me I actually have to close it. Do I have to close it? And save it. Oh, okay. Maybe if I look with my eyes better, it would be, you know, showing that it's saving in the top right of the screen. Gosh, I'm smart. Huh.
Kovacs rules. Chapter 5. Bows and arrows.
Oh yeah, you can level up. I'll show you that screen right after this.
And the quietest. Select a flexible branch, then combine it with a reel of twine. For arrows, combine a wooden stick with your machete. Making arrows is easy, but getting them back is even easier. So always collect them after a fight, no matter where they are stuck.
Okay, let's see. Those little informationals are actually pretty interesting. So cool things about this game, right? Yeah, you can level up. There's actually a talent tree, as you can see, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so health, stamina, precision, strength, and then I'm level 2. So and then it shows time played, and that's in-game time. But yeah, I'm 1750 out of 1850. So yeah, one more kill. Thanks. Like I've been saying, I usually don't play these types of games, but man, they usually scare me. And I know there's a nighttime part coming up, and I'm just gonna scream like a girl, sadly. Cause I saw the images of it, and I know the guy's name because of a some guy was like, if you talk to the Ramon guy, he starts the nighttime. Oh wait, does it actually say between gas and... Okay, it does. Oh, so cool thing, right? The thing that drew me to this game was the crafting system. Now, from what I understand, if I take my axe and the string, I think it actually makes a bow. Hold on a second. There is a guide that you can go to. So this shows all the rules that you've picked up, the plants, the information on the plants, and then the boosts in health, everything that, you know, it tells you. I think that's like flint, and I really don't understand this part. But yeah, the aim, like I know for a fact I have those, but I don't have a bow yet, which I'm hoping to make right now. Here we go. So the string and the axe, which it seems like is going to make that. So let's make a bow. Thanks for the compliment, man. Yeah, all of these videos will go onto my my YouTube channel, which there are a lot of scattered videos around just because of the copyright battle that I go through. Okay, so I love my machete, and I don't really care about the axe. So let's have fun and make a bow. Bam! Got a bow. So now I think I actually have to combine it with the arrows. And now I have bow and arrow, maybe? How do I do that ordeal? Let's see. It says that's equipped. Oh! What the heck was that? Oh, okay. So I actually have to use the right joystick. And, oh! Oh, and you can go and pick up your arrows that you shot. That's interesting. Oh, wait, no I can't. I thought I had 10 arrows. Oh, that's right. I shot one like a weirdo. But I can't do anything with melee stuff, so you have to switch between that. Is there a quick switch that I don't know about? And it seemed like I only got like 15 XP from that. And this is interesting right here. How do I charge you? Oh wait, that's right. I got that big old canister, didn't I? Where are you? Okay. Jerry cans, 3 gallons of gasoline. Oh, it's pretty cool as you can actually run around and you see the graves of other people where they died. Oh, hey, there's another empty bottle. Come here, you. I want to see something. Wow, I'm only getting 15 XP now. I wonder why. Oh yeah, this is a dumb idea. So interesting, right? If you can time it correctly, see, like certain, oh, there we go. Yeah, level up. So if you can do that instant kill, that A kill after the hit, and there's another zombie that's around you, you can actually kill those other zombies with that insta kill. It's pretty handy, as you just saw. I think there's an area where there's a bunch of zombies just kind of munching out on a dude. Okay. I think I'm safe right here. Okay, so let's see my talent tree. Now I can only do speeds up your aim time when to headshots to an enemy with the arrow, or displays on map the positions of living animals 40 meters around you. I really don't know which one to go for. Give you the ability to make handmade combos. Gives you a better chance to do headshots on an enemy without aiming accurately. The ability to make incendiary ammo. Slow the fall of food. Engage times 2. Huh. Slows the fall of sleep gauge. Make the drink gauge fall slower. Allow you to keep running with your health. I think I'm going to go down towards the crossbow, the incendiary arrows, and the explosive arrows. Increases damage inflicted on your enemies. That's always good by incendiary. Ability, attractive Molotovs. Molotov stack extended. Wow, yeah. I'll be going this way. Okay. Oh wait, can I actually go to sleep up there or something? Oh yay, the zombies came back. Oh yay, they all came back. This should be an interesting endeavor. Oh, see, that's where they came from last time. Is down there. Well, it's time to have fun. Anyway, they're not gonna bring all the zombies from the area, are they? That'd be a little interesting. Oh, good, healing plant. What does Y do? Oh, why shift through the weapons? Why doesn't it shift through my bow and arrow though? Oh, I see. Okay, let's try this. That's interesting. Headshot much? Let's watch. I'm gonna get my ass taken again. Okay, Y doesn't do anything now. Okay. That's not amazing. Ha ha ha! There we go. Jeebus. I'm a close killer, apparently. Oh, yay! I think I'm actually gonna have to go through the whole save thing again. It's not really safe, it lies to you. Apparently I'm supposed to be able to sleep right here, but I don't think that's truthful. Okay. So, I know I can cook stuff if I ignite, but I don't want to use my flints right now because I am going to actually progress. Ooh, more classic arrows. I don't understand why it does that. That's interesting. Oh, the axe is pretty fast. Wow. Hey, zombies. Yeah, you aim with the right joystick. You attack with left trigger, and you run with or no, you attack with right trigger and you run with left trigger. But it's only like a quick sprint. It's not anything crazy. Okay. I am going. Man, why can't I move this? I really want to move this, but you know, hey. I thought I was going to be actually able to get that A doe, a deer, a female. Oh man, really? Thus the problem with the bow and arrow. Man, I really messed myself up on that one, being stupid. Trying to hunt and get that thing. Does that work now? No, it doesn't work. I don't understand that, but whatever. Okay. And that's how you make Molotovs, I'm assuming. Yeah, Molotov, okay. Let's see where I am. Right there. Oh, there's a canister piece. That sounded a little awkward. Well, if I can find that deer, I really want to try to kill it, but I think I'm just getting ahead of myself. Yeah, I'm horribly getting ahead of myself. Healing plant. It's pretty cool that they want you to get so far in the game, you know, so quick. Because they want to show you, you know, all of this stuff. And flint. Got that flintlock. Oh my gosh. I lost an arrow. And then you go hang out with this guy who hangs out with What's up, bird? Can I actually... I mean, I knew I could kill the bird. Oh, I found Bane. That's it. Finding monkeys. Ooh, feathers. That's what I'm getting. Interesting. With feathers combined into... Okay. That classic arrows with feathers. Oh, it increases damage. That's cool. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that at all. Hey, there we go. What is this? Oh, so it's just a full-on, like, wrap? Well, let's go see what happens when I cook a plant. Oh yeah, you need gas, don't you? Oh no, you need a starter. That's what you need. Interesting. Okay, let's see what one of these turns into. Special white plant. Okay. That's the special white plant again. Let's see what... Okay, I selected another blue plant, okay. Okay, well I have 99 of you. That is amazing, but... Oh, wow. A special blue plant. Yeah, but I would love to actually select it though. Oh, I see you. Oh, if I press Y, I drop it. Interesting. Well. Let's get some food in us. And I'm only making so much because I have enough. So there's one and two there. I'm happy with that. Okay. I'm going to stop this one. I'm at a good point where I could just stop and I'll start up another stream right after this. I'm just making my episodes. Okay, and thank you. Hopefully everyone joins me. The stream will be back up momentarily. Thank you again for joining me. This is TonyStarts.